Come all ye young fellers, what fellers the sea, yo-ho, blow the man down. Shiver me timbers, here I am a-piloting me Malibu through uncharted places, and me first mate is calling. Arr! I can't answer me phone!
Well, don't worry, Captain. Today we're going to teach you how to use your vehicle's Bluetooth system so that you can take a call hands or hook free.
I'm Jack Walker.
And I'm Mark Siefert. And we're the Auto Geeks. To use your phone hands-free, we'll be using a technology called Bluetooth.
Well, I ain't got the Bluetooth, but will me gold one do?
No. Here, take a look.
Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communications protocol developed by Sven Madison and Jap Hartson for Ericsson Mobile Communication in 1998. The technology is based on a frequency-hopping spread spectrum, providing a secure wireless signal that combines and simplifies multiple forms of communication between electronic devices. Over 1 billion Bluetooth devices have already been sold worldwide, with an additional 1 million phones supporting Bluetooth being sold every week.
Huh?
Never mind. Before you can use your hands-free calling system, you gotta pair it.
Well, I got a parrot.
Got a parrot.
But how's that help me use me phone?
No, not parrot. Pair it. Let me make it easy for you, Captain. Step 1. We're going to ask the car to pair with the phone.
Ready?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth ready.
Pair.
Pair.
Step 2. From your phone's Bluetooth menu, have the phone search for the car's invitation.
Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
Step 3. Tell the phone to accept the invitation by entering the passcode from the car.
Once the search is complete, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 6548. Again, the code is 6548.
And finally, assign a name for your phone.
Please say the name tag you want associated with this phone.
My phone.
About to store.
My phone.
Does that sound okay? Please say yes or no.
Yes. My phone.
Has been successfully paired.
Now you can place and receive calls by pressing the hands-free calling button on your vehicle's steering wheel.
If your phone or car are different than ours, you can ask your salesperson for help or
Check your owner's manual.
Thanks, mateys, that were easy. Four top silly halyards, the matey will roll. This be your captain speaking, what you be wanting?